Loop components are items such as tables, lists, or paragraphs that can be shared with and updated by multiple users in real time. To create a loop component from within a Teams chat, select the loop component icon, then choose the component that you want to use. In this example, I'm going to use paragraph. Add the title, and then include the paragraph that you wish to collaborate on. To update who has access to the paragraph, click on the link settings, then update the share permissions as required. I'm going to stick to people currently in this chat. Ensure that under Other Settings, you click Can Edit, then select Apply, then click Send. As you can see, your loop component has now been added to your chat, and you can click to see who has access. Anyone with access can add and edit the content as required. The content will update in real time for all users. You can also share the paragraph to another chat by clicking on Copy Link, then switch to a different chat, click in the message box and type Ctrl+V, then click Send Loop Component to post in the Teams chat. Then click Send to post the component in the Teams chat. Users in both the original chat and the additional chat will be able to edit the content. The loop component will update in real time and will always show the latest updates. So if I switch back to John Smith's chat, you can see that the new sentence has also been added and updated in the paragraph.